Good day, YouTube. This is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. I just came across this stock, looked kind of interesting, and wanted to see if anybody out there has this particular one. As you can see, it's done really well since the pandemic, like a lot of other stocks out there. But this one is a live person. If you don't know what it is, the ticker is LPSN. And what it is, kind of interesting. Maybe some of you out there have already used it. But anyway, it engages in the provision of mobile and online messaging solutions. It operates through the following segments: business, consumer, and corporate. The business segment enables brands to leverage intelligence engine to connect with consumers through an integrated suite of mobile and online business messaging technologies. It's been around since 1995. It's got a over a 4 billion market cap. Got a number of employees and decent volume. It's got great ratings, 81%, and just thought I'd throw this one out there and bring it to your attention. And researching it, I come across two artificial intelligence stocks leading the new wave. One of these I'd already heard of, the AI, but today was the first I've heard of this LPSN. And the new year, and a good time to take a look at what lies ahead, not in the short term, but in the long horizon. So here's a number to think about: 126 billion. That's predicted. That's the predicted size of the artificial intelligence AI technology market in 2025. AI, once the sole province of the more arcane branches of computer programming and coding, has become an essential part of the digital world we live in. And so that makes sense after the great run-up just since the pandemic. And you can see why that one's starting to run up. You can find AI everywhere. It's in our factories, controlling assembly robots and inventory systems. It's in cars, monitoring power systems and drivetrains soon perhaps to drive the vehicles. Its algorithms lie behind the success of the online tech companies that have come to dominate our electronic social discourse and economy. AI is everywhere, and it's here to stay. And it depends on the day. Sometimes I hear we're going to be going through another lockdown, and some days I hear not. But if that's the case, I would expect this stock to run up again. I'm just throwing that out there. Not that I want another lockdown or that we're going to have one. I'm just throwing that out there, being optimistic, speculating about it. But we'll start with a company that's new to the public trading markets. AI is an enterprise AI firm providing a suite of services designed to build enterprise-scale applications through a cost-effective and efficient process. And again, brings configurable apps to blah 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 blah. Customer engagement, energy management, fraud detection, predictive maintenance, and supply chain optimization. And all of that is only the beginning. And here it just kind of goes over some trading figures. The IPO is at $42 a share, and they closed at the first day with the price of 92. So I'd been hearing about this one. I hadn't really looked into it, but now I'm looking into it. So it's not just a successful IPO that should grab investors' attention here. C3's customers include such high-profile names as Bank of America. I've done a video on them. You can check my library. AstraZeneca, I've done one on them as well. And Coke Industries. I think that's Coke, not for sure, but anyway, moving on. The company also has a strategic partnership with Microsoft, using the Azure cloud platform to offer AI tech to the energy industry. So again, two interesting stocks. I wasn't going to do a video about AI, but we'll just kind of throw that in there as well. Back to Live Person is well known as a designer of live chat platforms and chatbot. So like I said, maybe you've already used this and maybe didn't even realize it. Live Person's chat apps are available through web browsers, social media, and mobile devices, and the company has produced a conversational AI that allows automated chatbots to streamline customer service center efficiency by handling routine communication tasks. So again, I just thought it was kind of an interesting stock here. And as I told you, the stock finished 2020 with a gain of 65%. So another one that I missed. But again, that's why I started the channel, so I can make videos like this and show you out there that don't follow the stock market or keep up to date on a lot of this like I do, and so we can present some of this so we can build our community and all make money together. So that's the purpose of the channel here. It helps to keep the channel going by hitting that like button. That always helps out, as well as comments. I always love comments, whether they're positive or negative. It just helps the channel grow and provides knowledge and questions and answers, and so we can all just take it forward and helps in our trading. Also on the subscribing also helps the channel grow and takes it to the next level. So but anyway, just wanted to bring this one to your attention. Let's see here. I had so this tip ranks is showing as a strong buy. Analyst price target of 71.17, high of 75, low of 65, and as I showed you, currently it's sitting at 61.99. But it's had a pretty good year run up. It's been kind of up and down throughout the year. So I would have to go back and research and see why it's been up and down. It's just kind of hard to say, but and then it's just kind of ran down a little bit today, but definitely one to watch. I hadn't heard anybody mention this. It was just mentioned to me, so I thought I'd do a video about it and just kind of see what happens from there. But I have been kind of watching the AI, but just haven't done anything with it. So that is it for today on Live Person. And like I said, it'll help me out if you hit the like and subscribe, and trying to get up to 200 subscribers by the end of the month. And I thank you for your watching. I thank you for your support. Happy trading, happy investing. Stay green. Cheers.